They make up on the road for a little bit. We might go downtown go buy some things. You want anything? It open. Shireen, you actually come on. I'm happy to see you. Just to leave some things around the house, garden and cooking and everything. So I'll go on with you. Oh, sorry, I'm kinda the days off. I just there, I just check by you. To see if you're alright with everything. Yeah man, I'm good. Just a work on some. If you want to see what me I do, you can come forward with me now. I'm not no issue with it. I don't look like you're really busy with anything still. You want to come look? What me I do? Yeah man, me come look and see what you do. I don't really have not, I don't really have nothing to do right now. A long time. I don't really see nobody. Them suck me here. Well, it good for grow your own food. That true still. At least you can get to save more money. You look really sexy. Stop it, Rick. You're not for lie. Me look alright. A joke you must have make right now. You're not for really. You're not for be so nice to me, and it's alright. Beautiful woman like you, I always get compliment. I never did this before. Don't worry about it, man. I gonna love it. You love me? Yeah, you really love me? Of course, man. Love you, man. You're the only girl for me. Go right up and do this before your father come home. Him not come home for now. Him gonna pick up my brother. You sure it not gonna hurt, right? You sure? I really love you in a shot, man. Daddy, you're gonna buy some expensive cereal. Look, boy, stop your nice for me send you back over your mother yard, alright? For the weekend you're spending. But mommy say you have a whole heap of money. She say you live in one big house and you have 4 cars. So really your mother you listen to it. Boy, you see any 4 car in my yard? Yeah, your mother not no sense man. I want to know. So daddy, you gotta take me on a ride in your car, eh? But really want to go on a ride. Period, you gotta see me. The only ride me I take you for. And when you go back to your mother yard. Cause you not no behavior. Honey, you don't want a breakfast, you just sit down there and watch TV. No, I'm good, daddy. I'm not hungry. I'm alright. No, when me your age, me never need no careful look no care. All I girl them they want me. Daddy, thank you so much for taking me out. I haven't had this much fun in a long while. You're the most beautifulest girl I've ever been with. There's a reason why I'm bringing you out here though. I'm more surprised. Sherry, will you marry me? Yes. Oh my god, yes, 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 Daddy, I will marry you. Oh my god. Daddy, talk, we need, we need to talk to you about something. Um, there's something, there's something I've been keeping from you. Oh, just say what you said, no? Well, I went to the doctor and, I'm pregnant. So what that have to do with me? But, are you a baby? My baby. Man must look like a Rossi that tear down to about my baby. I don't understand. Why you ask me so? I want to you. You just want to fuck up everything for me, don't it? Make sure you dash with that picnic there, you know. Did why you talking like this? Man, I try to build up himself. And some idiot girl like you thinks they can come and fuck up everything for me, don't it? Look a girl, make sure you dash with that picnic there, you know. So I'm going to say to you, or you're going to face the consequences for it. Oh my god, this is so funny day. I need to talk to you.